Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple meal specifically for vegetarians, but anyone can also try this. It has 6 ingredients. We have green vegetables, we have mashed potato, peas, carrots, coconut milk, and salt. And one thing which is more interesting, our meal is going to use only one pot. We call it one pot meal. Just for 10 minutes we will be done. Let's cook together. Our first process was to prepare our ingredients, and now they are done, peeled, washed, and then, as I said before, this is just one pot meal, so we are going to put all of them together in our pot and start our cooker. I'm going to turn on my cooker, and the temperature that I will use is 800, so that my potatoes will cook well. I'm going to add almost half a liter of water. Then I will add my potatoes. Among the ingredients, potatoes are the one that are going to cook for a bit long time than the rest. So we are going to start with potatoes itself. Then later we will add gradually the rest of the ingredients. After 5 minutes, you can see now my potatoes are almost cooked, and now I'm just going to add the peas. This one is 250 grams. They are already boiled and freezed, so it's not going to take a lot of time for it to be okay. I'm also going to add my carrots together with the peas, and I will add salt to taste. The kind of salt that I'm using is not a manufactured salt, which is more healthy, so you can just put the amount of salt according to your taste. I'm going to leave it to cook for 2 minutes, then we will be back. As you can see now, our peas and carrots are well cooked. Now we are going to add our green vegetable, and we will also add our coconut milk and let it cook for the last time before it is done. Remember, we have used coconut milk. We are not going to use oil. This one is enough. So I'm going to cover and let it cook for 5 minutes, then we will be done. Our delicious meal is almost ready. You can eat it at any time, as dinner, lunch, even in your breakfast. This is well cooked and welcome. Let's serve it together. Our perfect meal, very delicious, very healthy, is ready. Next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.